Transform your life in 30 days. The power of gratitude. Journaling. Life is a journey filled with ups and downs, moments of joy, and times of struggle. Often we find ourselves caught up in challenges, focusing on what is missing rather than appreciating what we have. But what if there were a simple, life-changing habit that could shift our perspective, boost our happiness, and improve our overall well-being? The answer lies in gratitude journaling, a practice that has the power to transform your life in just 30 days. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you. It's about adopting a mindset that focuses on the positives rather than the negatives. It's about recognizing the blessings, both big and small, that surround us every day. Research has shown that practicing gratitude consistently can rewire the brain, making us more optimistic, resilient, and emotionally balanced. In just a few minutes a day, you can shift from feeling stressed and overwhelmed to feeling joyful and at peace. The concept of gratitude journaling is simple. Each day, take a few moments to write down 3 to 5 things you are grateful for. These don't have to be monumental achievements or grand gestures. They can be as simple as a warm cup of tea, a kind word from a friend, or the way the sunlight filters through your window in the morning. The key is consistency. When you commit to this habit for 30 days, you will begin to notice profound changes in your mindset and outlook on life. One of the most powerful aspects of gratitude journaling is its ability to rewire the brain. The human brain has a natural tendency to focus on threats and negativity, a survival mechanism that has been ingrained in us for thousands of years. This is why we often dwell on problems rather than celebrate successes. However, through gratitude journaling, we can train our minds to seek out and appreciate the positive aspects of our lives. Studies have shown that gratitude activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and serotonin, neurotransmitters associated with happiness and well-being. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose, no longer weighed down by stress and negativity. Picture yourself becoming more present in the moment, cherishing the little things that make life beautiful. This is the magic of gratitude. The act of acknowledging what we have, rather than longing for what we lack, is a gateway to greater fulfillment and inner peace. In the beginning, gratitude journaling may feel unfamiliar or even forced. Some days it might be difficult to think of things to be grateful for, especially if you're going through a tough time. However, that's precisely when this practice is most powerful. Even in difficult moments, there are always things to appreciate. A lesson learned, the support of a loved one, or simply the gift of being alive. Over time, you will find that gratitude becomes second nature, and you will start noticing the beauty in everyday life. Aside from enhancing mental and emotional well-being, gratitude journaling also has profound physical benefits. Research suggests that people who practice gratitude regularly experience lower levels of stress, better sleep, and even improved heart health. The act of focusing on positive experiences reduces the production of stress hormones like cortisol, leading to a calmer and more balanced state of mind. Additionally, gratitude journaling encourages mindfulness, allowing us to be present in the moment rather than worrying about the past or future. Another remarkable benefit of gratitude journaling is its impact on relationships. When we consciously appreciate the people in our lives, we cultivate deeper connections and a greater sense of compassion. Expressing gratitude towards loved ones not only strengthens bonds, but also fosters an environment of positivity and support. Imagine how relationships would flourish if we took the time to acknowledge the kindness and love we receive daily. Whether it's a heartfelt note to a friend or a simple acknowledgement of someone's effort, gratitude has the power to transform relationships in profound ways. To get started with gratitude journaling, all you need is a notebook and a commitment to writing every day. Choose a quiet moment, perhaps in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening to reflect on the day's blessings. Write down at least 3 things you are grateful for and allow yourself to truly feel the appreciation for them. Some people also choose to add why they are grateful for each item, deepening their sense of appreciation. If you're unsure what to write, consider different categories of gratitude. You might focus on personal achievements, the kindness of others, experiences that brought joy, or even challenges that helped you grow. The more you explore gratitude, the more you will find to appreciate. Over time, you may even start noticing patterns, certain things that consistently bring you joy, people who support you, or simple pleasures that enhance your life. After 30 days of gratitude journaling, take a moment to reflect on your journey. Notice how your mindset has shifted, how your stress levels have decreased, and how your relationships have improved. You may find that your outlook on life is significantly more positive and that you are more in tune with the beauty around you. This transformation is not a coincidence. It is the result of actively training your mind to focus on abundance rather than lack. The beauty of gratitude journaling is that it doesn't end after 30 days. Many people find this practice so rewarding that they continue it for months or even years. It becomes a way of life, a daily reminder that no matter what challenges arise, there is always something to be grateful for. The process of continuously engaging with gratitude journaling enhances self-awareness and emotional intelligence, making it easier to navigate life's obstacles with grace and patience. In a world that often emphasizes what we lack, gratitude journaling helps us shift our focus to what we have. It is a simple yet powerful tool that can bring lasting change to our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to gratitude, you open the door to greater happiness, resilience, and fulfillment. So, are you ready to transform your life? Start your gratitude journal today and watch as your world begins to change, one grateful thought at a time. Through this practice, you will unlock a deeper sense of peace, develop a more profound appreciation for life's blessings, and foster an enduring habit of positivity that will stay with you for a lifetime.